The armed forces are taking care of our present, and the teachers are taking care of our future. We need to take care of both of them. So that's something we need to bring in. So what I have done, I am on a small mission. I wanted to become a big mission. Sunil sir, Rawat sir, Chinnappa sir, Pandey sir, I need your support. I'll show you. I'm just going to share some one simple thing. Pandey sir, you have seen this earlier. I would be happy if you can, be a part of this. Sir, what we have done is, I come from a company which is into language training and all that. But during my tenure, on this project, 15 years we've been in this. And during the last 15 years, we have trained 25,000 plus teachers. While training, we realized that we need to recognize all educationists. You see, a doctor writes a DR as a prefix, right? An engineer writes an EA as a prefix to his name. A chartered accountant writes a CA as a prefix to him. Why can't we have our teachers, our educationists write an ED in front of them? Why can't we have an ED? Let the world know that I'm a teacher, that we are teachers. We are the ones who are working on your kids. We are the ones who are working on this thing. And if a person is respected, they will always do best. If a person is respected, they will always be disciplined. If a person is respected, they will deliver better. It is not only that, these teachers have to do it. Nowhere is it written that a teacher should, wear khadi clothes and wear a thela. Why should a teacher not be better than the others? So if you could start using this part, right? So what I have done, sir, I have actually taken taken the liberty of putting this on this, that if we can have an ED written in something. Major sir, I've written ED before Major. I'm sorry, but because it's an education forum, I'm talking about that. We need to work onto this. So if you could start putting this in front of your name, okay, as a prefix, ask your teachers to do it. They will feel empowered. And sir, believe me, under say they would want to do more. Let each teacher be known as an educationist. So that's my request to you all. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaswinder sir. Big thanks for organizing and proceeding this kind of wonderful mission. A big thanks for participation and sharing your wonderful thoughts. Now I would request Rawat sir, sir, if you can have your concluding remark and what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education, Union Minister of Education, Rawat sir.
First of all, I appreciate the uh, idea of ED, whatever is given by Jaswinder sir. And I also opine that all the teachers should be respected, they should be recognized, they should be treated well. But at the same time, we should attract a good lot of professionals in our education system. One should not dare to be a teacher if one has ceased to learn. I have seen many teachers who have left learning, who don't care to learn. So they have to update continuously. And for that, the training part is very important. As Jaswinder sir said, that internet connection should be given, it should be proper internet connection, and light should be available, electricity should be available, so that the teachers can learn by them. But it has been observed, while having e-classroom, e-learning during this epidemic, many students are not able to learn because they are not having sufficient proper type of phone, a proper type of internet connection, and not even the light to see. So in that condition, it is not possible that the teacher can learn through internet. So internet and electricity, that should be ensured everywhere. And besides that, we should take care of disadvantaged group of our society, SC, ST, Divyang, transgender, and for all this type of section of our society, we have to include them in normal stream of education, inclusive education. And teachers should be trained to take care of all such deprived section of society, to include them in the mainstream of our education system. So training modules and training system need to be revised, strengthened, and implemented in a proper way. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Rawat sir. Thank you for your participation. Big thanks. Now I would request Munappa sir, sir, if we can have your concluding remark and what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Union Minister of Education, Munappa sir.
Yeah, thank you. And presently, there is no such plan for joining and becoming a minister. Whatever little we can contribute. Now, to start with, what Dr. Pandey said, that everybody, every youth, like many other countries, they should join the army. Now, actually, what happens here is from the first standard onwards, parents, teachers, everybody, we teach the child, come first, come first. 30 students are there, that one child has to come first. Other than that, the child is developed, we are growing that child in that atmosphere. Where is the question of national integrity? Where is the question of the child joining into army or anywhere else? So anyway, now that this is a lot of scope for overall development, now what is happening, most of the schools are concentrating only on studies, morning to evening, studies. Now with this NEP coming into, we, as I've been telling, we have vocational training starting from very early age. We should concentrate on developing good citizens. By the time a child passes out of the school, 10th or 12th, he or she should be a complete person, ready to face the challenges of the world. For that, now, again, most of the schools starting, even I am principal of a so-called international school. Most of the schools, by putting a good building and then putting the board as international school, are we really doing justice to that? Now, again, now, boom firke, we are coming back to the teachers. Now, when four people, when they meet, now what Jaswinder has spoken in detail, that four people, when they meet, they say that, yeah, I am an engineer, I am a doctor, I am a so-and-so. The last person, nothing, sir, I am only a teacher. So it is first nothing, sir, and I am only a teacher. And then even Rawat sir brought out that attracting good talents. Now, how to attract? How many of us, like now we all are, I am sure most of us are having grown-up children. How many of the parents want their children after 10th or 12th to take up a BA, B.Ed, BSc, B.Ed? Nobody. Everybody wants to take up. Now even the trend of engineering is gone, but at least if not B, it is going to a graduation and then MBA, not B.Ed certainly. So the attraction, when we say, it is money. Overall, the teachers, this thing, it comes in whatever you say. I have 25 years of army. End of the day, I realize, yes, you have to be taken care of. So that has to be taken care of. If I get a chance in the government. Now, the one more thing what we need all to ensure is that now this is started, we all are putting in our efforts. It might start taking, when it comes to the track, there'll be some other government coming in and they'll say that, no, ye idea theek nahi hai, and there is something else will coming in. So this is what after about say 30 plus years, which is coming in now, we have to ensure that yes, this continues and we all should try produce good citizens for our country, so that who understand what exactly is the education. And again, teachers now, this is the, like I have experiences, I have seen people even working as a lorry driver for the time being, because just schools got closed down, management left off, government left off, teachers are on the road. So this is one thing which everybody can take care of, and teachers have to be respected, teachers have to be trained properly, and teachers are the one, like even with somebody was talking about why teachers are paid well. Now everywhere 4 years of engineering is prepared, engineer is prepared by a teacher, 5 years of doctor is prepared by a teacher, architect is prepared by a teacher, but that particular teacher is not taken care of. So that we need to concentrate in all fields, and I'm sure we should be able to bring in all spirits. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Munappa sir, for that wonderful thoughts. Big thanks for your participation. And now I would invite Sunil sir. Sunil sir, we would like to end the session with your remarks. If I may request you for your concluding remark, and what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education, Sunil sir?
I fully agree with Mr. Jaswinder, Mr. Chetan, and Mr. Rawat, what they earlier said. And one thing I want to share, and that is the knowledge we are imparting and the application. For an example, I'm saying I'm teaching a child the density of a liquid, and I'm asking that particular child go to the market and purchase a liter of oil, or purchase a liter of oil or kg of oil. 100 rupees liter, 100 rupee kg. For what he will go, he even don't know. We know the temperature. What is the temperature? Suppose I'm saying go to the petrol pump and get the tank full. At what time it is better to get the petrol tank full, he even don't know. We can say that most of we people don't know. Another thing is this, NAP 2020 is quite good, and we have to work all together, as Jaswinder sir and Rawat sir told, and all together we can win the battle. Another thing I want to share, and that is that the government must mind on the remote areas too. While the KV, Navodaya Vidyalaya and government school in the district and our private schools are working, remote areas to be accessed for the better education, so that the people who they are living in the remote area can get the better education. Another part is that Jaswinder sir said that teachers. If I would be a minister, my first priority will be that there must be an exam. Suppose we are saying the upper PCS, lower PCS, there must be a upper PES, primary education services, and lower educational services. Upper means college level, lower means secondary, senior secondary level. And the teacher must have some reward and regard, which we see that nowadays we don't have. Number one. And another thing is that nationalism and humanities must be on priority. And our education must be in such a way that we can produce entrepreneurship. I mean, we nokri karne wale entrepreneurs, so that they can open the things and they can enroll the other people. They can engage all the things. And with all, thank you very much.
Thank you, Sunil sir, for that. Big thanks once again to all of you, Sunil sir, Rawat sir, Munafa sir, Aarti Pandey sir, Jaswinder sir, for your participation and sharing valuable thoughts. Big thanks to all the other participants for being with us for the entire session. We'll end the session here. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
It was a pleasureful morning today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a very
Nice.
good day.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Have a good day. Hindu
Yeah.
lovers, Supra Night.
Thank you, Rajuji. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.